Hi, Mr. Secretary. Hi, Mr. Z. Nag-end na ako, guys. Balik ako later. Mag-end na ako ng pag 10% na ako. 12% na ako. Later na kayo mag-PM ha. Later na din ako reply. Pag di na ako nag-live, okay? Look at my hair, guys. Look at my baby hair. Age reveal, usa cute. 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. Hi, Bogart. Hi, Mr. Better. Hi, RJ. Hi, Zach. Hi, Jizan. Hi, TA. Hi. Mag-dinner pa ko, guys. Mag-dinner, mag-breakfast de ay. Sorry po. Umagang-umaga magdi-dinner. I think I'm gonna cry. Look at my eyes. I'm thankful. Tears of joy to, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Bob. Thank you din sa support nyo, guys. Mag-end ako, guys. Bye. Go, 3-star. Yeah. Pero mag-end naman ko. Kay lubat na ko. Hola, mi amor. Hi. Paris friends. Wow, another na po. Thank you so much, Bob. You're so kind. Thank you. I'm gonna end my live later. 3-star. 3-star na ba?